Let's make a no-bake peanut butter cheesecake pie.
So first, we're going to make our lovely oatmeal crust, and for that, I have already pre-mixed here a cup of flour, 3/4 of a cup of oatmeal, and a cup of brown sugar. Then I have half a cup of melted margarine, and of course, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. So I'm going to do this right in my pie plate. It just makes life so much easier. I put all of that in. Okay, then I like to make kind of a little well. It's not necessary, it's more for fun. And then put my margarine. Lovely. And then shake in some cinnamon, some nutmeg, and some ginger. All right, now I'm just gonna mix all of this up till it kind of forms a paste. And sometimes I do end up having to add some more margarine. We'll see if I have to this time. And all of that mixed up very, very well. So now all I have to do is push it all down to the edges of my pie plate. And that's it. The crust is now finished and ready for action. So let's move on to the yummy filling. And grab a cup of peanut butter or your favorite nut butter, as well as 1/3 of a cup of milk, a full package of cream cheese, and a cup to 1.5 cups of icing sugar. Then pop all of those ingredients in a bowl and mix well. This can take some time because the peanut butter and the cream cheese definitely need a bit of elbow grease to mix them all together nicely.
Once you have it all nicely mixed together, then go ahead and pour it onto your crust.
And then just spread it evenly all over the top of your crust. And then go pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours or overnight until it's set. This is absolutely one of my favorite sweet treats, and it is so simple to make, and it doesn't upset my tummy, which is the best thing of all. And it truly, truly, truly is scrumdiddlicious.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.